Hello everyone, we are back here at Richardson's Hospital. New day, a new patient, all set to go home. Let me introduce him to you. He came back at our center around 8 days back, right? He complained of a typical flat nose, as you can see in the picture. Flat, broad nose, wide ala flare. He wanted a more refined, chiseled, projected nose. It's 7 days post his rhinoplasty, and we have done a rhinoplasty with rib graft harvesting. We're all set to remove the splint. Let's see how it goes. सुरेश, आप मिरर में देख सकते हो। Okay?
Okay.
All good? There are certain points that I would like to highlight. With the help of rib augmentation, if you can see the profile view. Suresh, if you can turn to one side. Next view, side view, yeah, a little bit towards this side. He had a flat nose, as in a limited nasal projection, but if you can see his post-operative view, his projection has improved a lot. The frontal view, we have worked on the ala flare. We have given him from a flat nose, we have given him a sleek one, sleek projected one. सुरेश, how did you like? पसंद आया आपको? हाँ? There were stitches, some work was done at the alar flare. His stitches have all gone, the splint has come out. I would also like to mention that for him we have done a genioplasty procedure as well with advancement. If you can see in the frontal view, Suresh, 1 minute. He has a small chin, had a small chin in fact. And if you can see on the profile view, we have achieved some vertical and horizontal advancement in his case. The genioplasty as well as the work on the nose gives a better profile. If you can see on the lateral view now, the nasal projection as well as some amount of work on the chin gives a better overall profile to the face. सुरेश, नोज और चिन दोनों पे काम हुआ है एंड यू ऑल सेट टू गो होम टुडे। आप खुश हो रिजल्ट से?
बिल्कुल खुश।
हाँ, फॉर हिम रिब वाज हार्वेस्टेड एंड दैट इज हेल्प्ड अस गिविंग हिज द रिजल्ट दैट ही डिजायर्ड।
बहुत डिफरेंस मिला
लग रहा है आपको? आप जिस चीज़ के लिए आए थे, आपका नाक फ्लैट था, आपको थोड़ा सा प्रोजेक्टेड चाहिए था, आपके चिन पे भी काम किया है हमने। यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस, राइट? यू कैन मेक आउट। सो वी कैन से वी हैव अ हैप्पी पेशेंट गोइंग होम। ओके, सो ही सीम्स हैप्पी एंड ऑल गुड टू गो। थैंक यू। डालना है आपको शर्ट, चेस्ट, हाँ। खोलो खोलो। बस ठीक है, ठीक है। Sister, will you give gauze and monomer, spirit or monomer? हाँ हाँ पता है मुझे. Put. I would like to highlight the rib graft which was harvested from the right inframammary crease. As you can see, the site has healed. We are all set to remove the stitches. It's day 7 for him. It's healed quite good. Suresh, any kind of pain, discomfort?